Unleash the power of AI to revolutionize your Photoshop workflow with Nano Banana AI. Today, we're diving deep into how to integrate and utilize this incredible AI plugin within Adobe Photoshop, supercharging your image editing capabilities. First, let's talk about compatibility. Nano Banana AI is designed to work seamlessly with recent versions of Adobe Photoshop, ensuring a smooth user experience. The installation process is straightforward. Head over to the official Nano Banana AI website and download the plugin compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, locate the installer file and run it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, you'll need to activate Nano Banana AI within Photoshop. Open Photoshop and navigate to the Extensions or Plugins menu. Depending on your Photoshop version, you should see Nano Banana AI listed there. Simply click to launch it. Upon launching, familiarize yourself with the plugin settings here. You can often adjust parameters to fine-tune how the AI processes your images. Experiment with these settings to understand their impact on different editing tasks. Now for the practical magic, let's look at some real-world applications. One of Nano Banana AI's most impressive functions is its ability to intelligently upscale low resolution images. Notice how this image gains remarkable detail and clarity. Another powerful feature is its background removal capability. Simply select the background removal tool within the Nano Banana AI interface, and watch as it intelligently isolates your subject with professional precision, saving you considerable time. Nano Banana AI also excels at intelligent auto-enhancement, adjusting color balance, contrast, and sharpness to bring your images to life with minimal effort. By integrating Nano Banana AI, you're not just using a plugin. You're unlocking a new realm of creative possibilities within Photoshop. Start experimenting today and see how AI can transform your artistic vision. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered creative tutorials.